Guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I show you how to turn on Google Chat inside your Gmail app. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on important information and make any mistakes. In saying that, let's dive into it. Alright, open up your Gmail app on your phone, and once inside your Gmail app, click onto the hamburger looking icon, top left hand corner of your screen, and then scroll all the way down the bottom until you find settings. Once you click on the settings, click on the correct Gmail you want to turn this chat on. And once that has been done, scroll down, and then under general, where it says chat, show the chat tab, just make sure that is turned on, so that's enabled. And an option like this will appear, turn off duplicate chat notifications. So if you want to turn that off, turn it off, or no thanks, I'm going to turn it off. And as you can see, the chat box has been appeared on the bottom of my page here. So if I click into chats, here you go, keep track of all conversations in one place. You can catch up on new activities and find past conversations in home. So yeah, that's how to do it, guys, how to enable Google Chat inside Gmail. Thanks for watching this video to the very end. Please consider to like this tutorial and subscribe to our channel if you found it was helpful.